I immediately felt better because I felt like there was suddenly a kind of a journey to go on that was going to possibly fix this problem. My name is Jackie. I had some immunity deficiency that had resulted in quite a significant patch of hair loss in a very visible part of my head that was causing lots of stress and anxiety. The GP's line was very much, this is a cosmetic issue. If it fixes, it fixes. So it wasn't the best of outcomes from the GP, hence seeking further advice. It affected everything from my mental health, without doubt my confidence, my ability to go out socially and interact with other people. Yeah. I came in and had the first conversation, and really it started with him understanding a bit about my history, my lifestyle, things that may have happened in the last 12 months that could have triggered some change in how my hair was growing. He recommended some non-prescription treatments just to get my kind of gut health into a good place, get some additional vitamins inside of me. You can do this yourself, solutions discussed. And then he presented some more more specific treatments that could be available. There was the potential that I would have up to a maximum of 3 sets of treatment. So a second appointment was scheduled from that point on, and the hair growth was remarkable, but he agreed that he would do one more round, and that would be no need to come back for the 3rd round. So yeah, after 2 rounds, it's been kind of signed off as everything's heading back in the right direction, which has been good. I immediately felt better because I felt like there was suddenly a kind of a journey to go on that was going to possibly fix this problem. That changed for the better really from a mental health perspective. I mean, there's a little way to go with, some aspects of it, but yeah, ultimately to know that I've got a full head of hair again is massive. Yeah.